Dum. Boink. There you are. Oh, Patrick, we're gonna miss you. Yeah, you're a special guy. Yes, you are. You're very warm, just like yesterday. Oh, Patrick. Oh, you're too cute. Yes, you are. Oh, friendlier and friendlier every day. Less shy. Oh, shake it off. Shake it off. What do you see out there? Interested in the hallway? Uh-huh. Oh. Oh, here comes the purr. Here comes the purr. Good boy. You're up in your skybox earlier. I'd like to see you up there. Yeah, that big purr. Oh, that big purr. Oh, Patrick. You're gonna tip over. Oh, I told you. I told you were gonna tip over. Oh, too cute, too happy. Patrick, kitty mail.